Senator Klyne.
Senator Gold, this week marks National Soil Conservation Week. Soil sustains our woods and grasslands and their plants and animals. It's a vital resource for Canadian livelihoods, including construction, forestry, and of course agricultural and food security. Unfortunately, this precious resource doesn't always receive the recognition it deserves. That's why I'm proud that our Senate Committee on Agriculture and Forestry is conducting a study on soil health, the first study done specifically on soil in the Parliament since the last 39 years ago. Senator Gold, as we study this important issue, can you update this chamber on what steps the federal government is taking to collaborate and support stakeholders across this country to protect soil health in Canada?
Senator Gold.
Well, thank you for your question and for the important work that the Senate Committee is doing on this important subject. It has been a priority for governments and for this government, and it builds upon a history of world-class research in this country on this important issue. Indeed, Canadian scientists are bringing innovative approaches and practices to the table to help us build resilience in soils, reduce erosion, increase soil carbon capture, helping the agricultural community do its part, an important part, necessary part, in our efforts to offset greenhouse gas effects. Since 2021, the government has announced $1.5 billion of initiatives for the agricultural sector, provide incentives to producers to adopt practices and technologies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, sequester carbon in soils, and improve soil health. The new Sustainable Canadian Agricultural Partnership, which is a $3.5 billion five-year agreement between federal, provincial, and territorial governments, includes funding to support farmers in adapting practices to improve soil health. And this includes a new $250 million cost-shared resilient agricultural landscape program to help farmers implement such practices, help enhance the natural ability of agricultural lands to sequester carbon, protecting biodiversity, and of course soil health. Government's also developing a sustainable agricultural strategy, and this in collaboration with sector partners and stakeholders. It will focus on 5 themes, colleagues, including soil health, and it will help set a shared direction for our actions together to improve environmental performance over the long term, to enhance sustainability, the competitiveness and vitality of this sector.